Okay, it's here. My Dayan Guhong is finally here. Took a while to get here, I must be honest. I'll just move the camera down a tiny bit. Okay. Just rip it open. Oh, this is gonna be so awesome. Come on, come out. Just taking a while. It's a really small package. Oh, it's here. Oh, I'm so excited. As you can see, it's got this guy on it. I'm not sure who that guy is. Dayan 2 Guhong. Dayan 3x3 cube. 3-layer magic cube. Has some Chinese writing. I don't know what that is, but... Okay, let's open this up. Oh, what the Those are real hard to open up, I must say. Oh, that's right. The seller gave me extra stickers, too. That's pretty cool. I haven't actually ever seen extra stickers before. Oh, that's the... Oh, it's CubeSmith, actually. Okay, anyway, let's open it up. Oh, shit, that is so fast. Well, I must say, the Guhong is the best cube I've owned to date. And I recommend you actually get it. Well, I definitely recommend it anyway. It's a really amazing cube. So yeah. So corner cut's actually like really good to, since it's almost like 45 degrees and you can oh damn. So it's a bit closer. I've tightened it a tiny bit. Oh, a piece popped out. Actually, no, I'll show you the piece. The piece is kind of strange. Like, I don't know what they are. This is really weird. And a corner, I'm not going to pop out a corner. Because they, like, split into 3 pieces. They're just only split into 2. And, so the corners, I just won't pop out because I don't feel like it. So yeah, it's a really, really good cube, and I picked the white, you know, just because I just like white better than black cubes. The seller did actually give me an option of what to actually get instead of the white cube, but no, I think this is still really good. Yeah, so, wow, it's really, really good. I was amazed. I didn't really think it was going to be as fast as I had looked on some videos. It isn't as fast as what mine actually feels like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and quick review thing of the Dayan Guhong. I might put on another review sometimes and a better camera angle actually. But apart from that, see you guys in the next video. I'm hoping to put up one on a solve on this. They're about twice as fast as my other ones. So anyway,